What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a video on the aftermarket taillights for the Avalanche because I did a video on the aftermarket headlights for the Monte Carlo right over here, and now I'm going to do one for the Avalanche. So I'm going to get headlights for the actually, here's an issue. For the Avalanche, at least for the model with cladding on it, you know, the models that have the cladding, there's models that don't. For those models, they have a different grille. So the headlights are slightly different. Here, I'm gonna show you what I'm saying. Yeah, see, if you look right here, I mean, look, this one's even broke. That's a part of the, yeah, it's a reflector in there. Laying on the ground. So on the other models, the grills come down and then bend in. This one has a little lip under it. The guy replaced these, but he did not replace these. I don't know why. I think they're completely different. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they're completely different. Now the taillights are the same. Yeah, I will get new headlights either if I find like a company that makes them, or if I can still use the ones for every Silverado that has the front end of like the cat style, I guess you could say. I'm gonna back the Avalanche up real quick, and I'm gonna pop the tailgate down, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it real quick. So let's get right into that. So here are the taillights. This side looks better. That's a side shot. My only complaint about these taillights is that in the daytime at least they look pink. They might even look pink on video, but that is my only complaint with these. You can get tint, like a slight tint for them. So right here, this is the running light that's usually always on. This is your brake light, these little LEDs in here on both sides. Your reverse lights down here, your reflectors. This side has some condensation, as you can see in there, quite a bit too. Almost the entire thing is filled with condensation. Let's pop the tailgate down real quick. Don't mind the bike in there. All you have to do, as you can see right here, this Phillips screw and this Phillips screw up here, you unscrew them, taillight pops out like this. You slide it out like this. You undo the three. Wow, I think it was three. The old one, the reverse light, brake light, and turn signal. This one has a harness because LEDs, obviously. So there's only two things you have to plug in this time. There's one thing I gotta say about these taillights. I've noticed that when they're on, cruise control can no longer engage. I think it's something to do with the current. Because LEDs take less current. They take less power to, you know, function. Cruise control does not work when they're on. You can have you can have the lights off. Well, in the daytime they'd be off anyway, but you can have the lights off in the daytime, drive around with cruise control, no problem. But if you're driving at night, it ain't happening. That's what I thought until one night I was driving home and it worked all of a sudden. The whole pink thing kind of really sucks, and the fact that only one of them has condensation. The passenger side one never has condensation. Like I said, the headlights, they're hard to find with the modding with the cladding because it has a different grille. These taillights, you could get them either in the ones I have right here or more tinted. You can get them with more tint on them, which makes them a little darker. I would definitely do those instead of these, but it's the same brand, same everything. It's just the bezel around the outside is slightly different. It's slightly darker. But apart from that, I would definitely recommend these taillights. I'm gonna put a link in the description to these taillights if you guys wanna go check them out yourselves. Fuck, there was a worm. No, there was a worm on my bed. Can it focus on this little guy? Look at that. Little worm dude. I will be making a video over the entire Avalanche, like a whole review, and the motorhome, and the Monte Carlo, and all the other cars. So, be looking forward to that. As you can see, a little quick glimpse. It is dual exit exhaust, muffler delete, resonator delete. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Like if you want to see more, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.